Okay, question 11. Consider the RLC network shown below. This is the circuit given. 40 angle 0 degree, 8 ohm minus 2j ohm, 4j ohm, 20 angle 90 degree. Voltage source, voltage source. This is the circuit given. The average power absorbed by the inductor in watts is. This is capacitor, resistor, inductor. So we have to focus on this. Average power we have to calculate in watts. Now I've marked I and V from black. Okay, it was not given in the question. I've marked. So let's say current is I flowing through this inductor and the voltage is V, positive, negative. Now what will happen? We will have some magnitude and phase M1 and Phi1. We are not interested in exact values. M1 and Phi1, magnitude, M for magnitude, Phi for phase. Z will be 4 angle 90 degree. Z of this guy, inductor, magnitude is 4, angle is 90 degree because of J term. Now if you will calculate this I, you will have M1 Phi1 divided by 4 angle of 90 degree, this divided by this. It will have some magnitude M1 by 4, but phase will be Phi1 minus 90 degree. So if you will compare these two, V and I, you can see the phase difference is 90 degree between V and I. Okay, now come here. S is equal to Vrms Irms. The complex power is equal to the voltage, RMS voltage into RMS current star. Okay, so this will be the complex power, and if you will separate into real and imaginary part, Vrms Irms cos phi, Vrms Irms sin phi. Okay, J. So this term called as active power or average power, and this term is called as reactive power. We are interested in this branch, this part only. Okay, this applies for any branch. In any branch, if you want to calculate the complex power, you will need these quantities. Since we are asked average power, we will only focus on that. So power is equal to Vrms Irms cos phi, where phi is the angle difference between V and I. Now if you will see here, V and I has 90 degree phase difference, you can see. So if you will plug 90 degree here, cos 90 will become 0, and because of that power will be 0. So means average power across this inductor is 0 just because of this tool. Okay, because the cos phi is 90, cos 90 is 0, and phi is the angle between the voltage and current, that is 90 degree. That's why power is 0. Okay, since cos 90 degree is 0. So the answer will be C.